The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, southern Milwaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, eastern Racine County in southeast Wisconsin until 6:30 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Franklin to Kenosha Airport to Channel Lake and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Racine Baton Airport in downtown Kenosha around 5:55 p.m. Downtown Racine and Wind Point around 6 o'clock p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Elmwood Park in North Bay. These storms have a history of producing destructive winds and large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 677 has been canceled, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Lee, Ogle, and Winnebago. Severe thunderstorm watch number 677 remains in effect until 9 p.m., which includes the following counties in Illinois: Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Henry, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, Stevenson, Whiteside, and Will, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, and nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, and the following